Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. When you're ready to add an audio file or video one, select this plus at the bottom left corner. Now tap on Files category and tap on one of your apps. Select your files from here or tap on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of the available sources. Wherever you do, you can also click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Now simply hold your file that you wish to add, in this case audio one, and click on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my audio file was successfully added. If you wish to add a video, you can also click on this icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner. Then click on Gallery. Hold one of your videos or click on them and choose Add at the top right corner. Sorry, misclick. Then, as you can see, my video was successfully added as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!